Welcome to Spark Zone.
Hey, I am Chris Jackson, System Administrator here at Coweta Fayette EMC, and this is my daughters,
Katie. And I'm Becca.
Today we're going behind the screens to see who keeps our internet, our Wi-Fi, and all our computers running.
Hey Dad, what's IT?
IT stands for Information Technology. Basically, we keep all the computers and all our computer systems that connect together running. You remember when y'all went over the OSI model?
Yep. Yes.
What's the first layer? All people seem to need data processing. What's P? Physical.
Physical.
So you get the first layer is physical, so that's the wire.
Okay.
So second layer is the data link layer. See the MAC address? Mm-hmm. Every device has a unique MAC address. So we will configure this phone according to its MAC address. So what I'll do is I'll go into my little Cisco management tool and I will configure this phone because it's a brand new phone. So I have to first look it up. As you can see, I looked up, this is for dispatch. There are a bunch of dispatch phones, so I have to know that MAC address. So I'll look on the back where the MAC address is, and I'll get the last four. 53FA. 53FA, right there. So I'll click that. As you can see, this phone has 4 different lines, so it can accept 4 phone calls from 4 different numbers. So I had to go through and configure every one of these for these. Every line I had to configure for this phone. So every time I have a new phone, I have to do this for every new phone I have.
Wow.
So you see, this is dispatch 2, and this is dispatch 2. So that 8841, that's the new phone. So the old phone is the 7965. So I'll click on, that's the model number. So I clicked first, that wasn't even there. I added that. The new phone's got to look exactly like the old phone. So I made note of all the configurations here from the old phone, and I basically mirrored them to the new phone.
So what would happen if it wasn't exactly like the old one?
It wouldn't work. Or when somebody called, it looked like it's coming from a different number, or maybe people dial a different number and it'd be going to them and it's not supposed to go to them. Like if I configured it to mine, people who try to call me would go to a different room or a different phone.
So you have to get it exactly right.
You have to get it exactly right, or it won't work exactly right. Yeah. So I have to take my time and be very specific and very intentional in what I do. If not, they'll let me know I messed up. Okay, this is like a web interface to a server that's in our server room across the building. So we'll take you and show you where this computer actually is housed at. We are in the server room. This is the brains of our entire organization.
Wow.
We have 9 cabinets, and each of them are full with computer equipment. We have, including virtual and physical, we have about 100 servers in this organization. And from what I was showing y'all earlier, the phone system, all this stuff on the wall that you see, and that is old technology that was replaced by one server. And we went from an analog system to a digital system. The technology is called voice over IP, so it all runs over our network now. This place is really vital, and it must be kept at a certain temperature. We got sensors and monitors that will tell us if the temperature gets too high. We have a sensor there on the wall that will let us know if the temperature gets over 69 degrees. If it gets 70 degrees or more, it starts emailing me. If it gets even higher, it starts texting my phone. We have water sensors all along the floor, so if something springs a leak, you know, water and electronics don't mix. So we have water sensors running through the floor. Again, if it detects water, it starts emailing me, starts texting me, and it won't stop until it's addressed. We have a fire suppression system. Again, you know, most of you see on the TV how water sprays again, water and electronics don't mix. So we have a foam that just shoots out and that will smother the fire instead of water. So that's some of the systems that protect our servers.
So Dad, what do you do on your job on a day-to-day basis?
Well, I control our email system and our spam filtering system, and our spam filter filters out about 2,000 spam emails a day. That's people who trying to send emails to our users for malicious reasons. And right now we're testing our disaster recovery plan. So me and Larry been getting up our disaster recovery site is at our remote office. So we're getting together things to test our plan so we be prepared if emergency ever occurs. We're practicing for that emergency, so won't be so stressed out in a high stress situation. We'll already get our practice in, so we'll be more prepared to get our building, our company back online quicker. So we practice that every year, and that's that time of year. So right now we're all focused on our disaster recovery preparedness plan and practicing. I also keep the Wi-Fi going here strong, and so our linemen can have and use their iPads and their iPhones for them to do their jobs. Without the Wi-Fi, you couldn't, and the internet, you couldn't watch your favorite YouTube channel, Spark Zone. The Coweta Fayette IT department would like to share some internet safety tips with you.
Don't share your password.
Ask before downloading.
And think before you click.
Thanks for watching Spark Zone.
Like and subscribe and stay safe online.